to ask about your own portfolio of housing. You're bringing to Cabinet tomorrow a memo apparently on the setting up a commission on housing. Yes. Why? Why another talking shop when everybody has been aware of all of the issues in relation to housing for years?
It's not a talking shop.
What is it, so?
Well, I'm going to tell you now, if you let me. It's a commitment, firstly, in the programme for government that I negotiated with colleagues in the Green Party and in Fine Gael. It's a commission that will have, not a talking shop, that would take actually a strategic view on housing in general, all the aspects of housing, not just the bricks and mortar, but the legislative approaches of what are required, the constitutional issues around the right to housing, the cost of construction, homelessness, all those various things. And in my view, what it will do is it will bring experts from within all of those sectors in to be very focused on the delivery of the programme for government, firstly, and how they input into that. But secondly, to have type of a trans-governmental approach to housing. One of the issues I've seen, and I say this as Housing Minister, is that you'll see from one government to another, maybe strategies change, maybe approaches change with regard to housing, but not dealing with the fundamental issues around land cost, for argument's sake, that I've discussed with you before, around cost of construction and things like that, that I think we can do a better job on. So what I'm bringing forward tomorrow is a proposal to government that meets with our programme for government commitment to establish a time-bound commission on housing that will be independently chaired and will be made up of a number of 12 members of the commission, experts in their fields, and we'll have subgroups under that to feed in to policy and implementation.
They report back? Because this has all the appearance of kicking for touch, delaying again.
No. I want to actually assure you on this. This is in addition to what we're doing.